Microsleep, a shift worker's worst nightmare. In aviation maintenance, fatigue isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. Long shifts, circadian disruption, and night work push the human body beyond its natural limits. A microsleep is a momentary shutdown of the brain for just 1 to 10 seconds, but enough to cause catastrophic mistakes. When you're working on live aircraft systems, fatigue can shift from inconvenience to threat. Regulators recognized fatigue as a critical human factors hazard. Training now focuses on awareness, self-assessment, and safe shift management. Here's what many forget. Microsleeps don't just happen at work. They strike on the drive home. After night shift, your brain is at its lowest alert state. Drowsy driving accidents spike, especially for maintenance personnel heading home. Protect yourself and your team. Use buddy checks, take breaks, and don't drive when you're exhausted. Fatigue doesn't care how experienced you are. Stay alert. Stay alive. For more aviation insights, visit Joe Torre Aviation Consultancy or read our blogs at www.joetorreaviation.au.